What's going on YouTube? 65 Rider here, coming back to you with another helmet video. Today we'll be installing the anti-fog solution from Pinlock on my Shoei RF SR smoked visor. I chose to install it on the smoked visor because I do most of my riding in the daytime. Even though I have my clear visor over here, I barely use it, to be honest. I maybe sometimes use it at night, but honestly most of the time I just keep this on, never take it off. Alright, so this is going to be a really short video, you guys, because this is super easy to install. First thing we're going to do is we're actually going to clean the visor because we want to ensure, you know, no dust particles and nothing goes between the visor and the pin lock. So we're going to go ahead and just use some plain old Windex to clean out the visor. Yeah, so basically these visors from Shoei are pin lock ready, which means that they come with these two little slits over here in which the pin lock visor goes right into. And from examining it, it looks like there's a tiny little hole in there and both sides that lets in a little bit of air between the visor and the pin lock, which causes it not to fog. Alright, according to the instructions, and this video is for those of you who won't read the instructions or don't have the instructions. So basically you have the two sides. One side is covered here with a little piece of protective plastic. The other side is where the pin lock actually goes, and it has this little silicone strip on it all around it. And basically the silicone strip is where the pin lock attaches to the visor itself. So per the instructions, they say to peel off each side just a little bit. We're going to do this. We're going to do that. And then basically what they said is to match it in here. There we go. Yeah, I'm just looking at all the different parts up here. I mean, it looks to be in place. Didn't say anything about having to press on it or anything. So what we're gonna do right now is just remove the film. Alright, looks perfect. Cool. They said in order for it to settle, you actually have to put it on the helmet. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Let's get this lined up. Want to make sure that the pin lock itself is not hitting the helmet, which I don't think it is. And we're just going to leave it like that until the next time we ride. Not sponsored by Windex. Once again, thank you guys for tuning in to another 6.5 rider install video. Please feel free to comment with any questions that you may have. And please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.